Imagine waking up and your knees no longer groan as you sit up. If you're over 60, joint pain may have stolen your joy, making simple moments harder. You feel stuck choosing between enduring the pain or taking pills that worry you. What if you could have real relief without pills or side effects? Welcome to the Home Healthcare Channel, where we share trusted health tips and products that make life easier for seniors. In this video, we'll show you a breakthrough pain relief gel that helps thousands of older adults stay active without swallowing a single pill. Today, we're talking about Voltaren Extra Strength ML Gel, an over-the-counter arthritis relief gel that targets joint pain right at the source. We'll cover how it works, who should use it, the science behind it, and how it compares to common alternatives like ibuprofen or menthol creams. There's a reason doctors and seniors alike trust this gel, and you'll see why by the end. Check the link in the description to learn more about this gel. The pain versus pills dilemma. Chronic joint pain isn't just discomfort. It's a thief. It steals your mobility, your independence, and your joy. Whether it's your knees, hands, or hips, pain makes simple tasks feel like chores. For decades, most were told to take NSAID pills like Advil or Aleve. But here's the issue. Those pills go through your entire system. What starts as joint pain becomes a choice between pain and risks to your stomach, heart, and kidneys, especially if you take pills every day. Many older adults report side effects like bloating, high blood pressure, and kidney strain. Pills can interact dangerously with other meds, especially when you already have a full routine of prescriptions.
The smarter alternative.
Voltaren Gel offers something smarter, targeted relief right where you hurt. You apply it directly to the painful area, knees, hands, wrists, ankles. Instead of circulating throughout your entire body, it works locally, meaning far fewer systemic risks. It contains diclofenac, a proven anti-inflammatory in the same class as ibuprofen, but delivered through the skin, not your stomach. And yes, it's FDA approved, available over the counter and recommended by doctors worldwide. How it works. Here's the magic. You apply the gel, and the diclofenac travels through your skin to the inflamed joint tissue. Once there, it blocks the enzymes that cause pain and swelling. Think of it like watering a plant. Oral pills equals giant sprinkler system. Voltaren equals watering can right at the root. Your relief is fast, focused, and safer because less medicine enters your bloodstream. Clinical trials show up to 90% less systemic exposure compared to pills. If you're finding this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Home Healthcare Channel. It helps us reach more people who need safer pain relief. Real-world benefits for seniors. Targeted relief. Lower risk. Your pain gets treated at the source, not spread throughout your body. No more pills. No swallowing, no chalky taste, and no digestion impact. Doctor recommended. It's the #1 topical pain reliever doctors recommend for osteoarthritis. OTC. Convenience. No prescription needed. Available at trusted retailers. And of course, at homehealthcareshop.com. How to use it correctly. Here's the step-by-step. Use the dosing card that comes with the product. 2 grams for upper body joints. 4 grams for lower body joints. Apply 4 times a day. Rub gently into clean, dry skin. Let it dry for 10 minutes before covering with clothes. Wait 1 hour before washing or showering. Wash hands unless you applied your hands. In that case, don't wash them for 1 hour. And remember, give it 7 full days before judging effectiveness. This isn't an instant cooling cream, it's real medicine that needs time to build up. Is it safe for you? Most users report no serious side effects. You might feel minor redness or dry skin. Rarely, people experience a mild headache or upset stomach, but again, much less than with pills. Voltaren, like all NSAIDs, has an FDA black box warning for heart and stomach risks, but the risk with the gel is significantly lower than pills due to less absorption. Still, check with your doctor if you have a history of ulcers or bleeding, heart conditions, kidney or liver disease, are on any other NSAIDs. Do not use if you're already taking daily ibuprofen or naproxen unless approved by a doctor. What customers are saying. Sometimes, Real stories say it best. These are real reviews from real people, some using Voltaren multiple times over the years. When people reorder, it's because it works. Quick comparison. Voltaren versus pills. Same strength pain relief and 90% less systemic risk. Voltaren versus menthol creams. Treats root cause inflammation, not just surface sensation. Long-lasting, meaningful pain reduction. It's not just a feeling of relief, it's science-backed healing in a safer, smarter form. If you're over 60 and joint pain limits your life, Voltaren Gel could be your way back to freedom. You don't need to suffer or gamble on pills. This is proven relief, directly to your joints, without added risks. Check the link in the description or visit homehealthcareshop.com to see Voltaren and other trusted senior wellness solutions. Tell us in the comments, have you tried it? What was your experience?